Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in the LTZ trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist with departure warning, a backup camera with front and rear park assist, our black assist steps as well as black gloss rims, and our forward collision alert, as well as a powered sunroof. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, above our chrome finish door handle, we have all of our driver's seat memory. Below, we have the controls for our power folding outside trailering mirrors, our door locks, as well as our power window controls and our rear window locks. In the bottom of the door, we have some additional storage, as well as our Bose speaker in the front. Up and to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake controller, the controls for our drivetrain, as well as all of our lighting controls. Moving to the middle, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as our forward collision alert and heated steering wheel button. The right-hand side has our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust what is on our display cluster. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. We can see we have AM/FM audio, OnStar, our navigation, as well as phone projection. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below it, we have some additional controls, as well as our single-slot CD player. Then down to the left-hand side, we have our heated and vented front seat for the driver, as well as our passenger on the right-hand sides. Between it, we have our dual-zone front climate with front and rear defroster. Then below, our power adjustable pedals, traction control, in-bed lighting, front and rear parking sensors, lane keep assist, and downhill park assist. Then we have some various plugs below, including two USBs, two 12-volt plugs, and a 115-volt plug. Below that, we have a spot to put our devices, as well as some deep storage, our two cup holders, our center console, which has a wireless charging pad on top. We can open it up and see that we have deep storage. On the driver's side, a 12-volt plug. The passenger side, two more USBs and an auxiliary input. Moving to our seats, we can see they are finished in our dark ash leather and are heated and vented in the front of the vehicle. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our universal garage door opener, all of our sunroof slide and tilt power controls, our third sliding rear window control, lighting controls, a sunglass holder, and then lastly, our sunroof across the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have a gloss black finish with a black Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish in our outside mirror, as well as our door handles. Across the bottom, we have our black assist steps for either door. Moving to the back of the vehicle, on the top, we can see we have a black hard folding tonneau cover, corner steps. On the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Silverado and LTZ badging, as well as a black bow tie and our trailer hitch at the bottom. On the liftgate itself, we have our backup camera. Opening it up, we can see we have an easy lift and lower liftgate. Inside, we have our tie-downs in both the front and the back of the bed, as well as a bed liner across the bottom. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage throughout the door, and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of our driver's seat. Between the two seats, we have storage as well as a 12-volt plug, and the passenger seat also has a storage compartment in the back. Moving to our seats, they are in the same gray leather that was featured in the front of the vehicle. In our center seat, we have two foldable cup holders, and behind it, we have a sliding third rear window. All three of our seats can fold up by simply lifting up on the bottom to give us additional storage space. And across the floor, we have all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.